Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and today's video is really for a plasma cutter. I just did this job this morning for our neighborhood. The electrical box had been run over and caved in. It was made out of some sort of fiberglass concrete, and it just crushed. You can see a remnant over there. So I went out and took a picture, and all pictures, I don't care what camera you're going to use, are not going to be the same. They'll be brought in real big or real small. These were both taken with a phone. Anyway, I measured the outside of the box and it was 15 inches. So I cropped it down, and just keep remembering when you use the crop tool to make sure your item is selected before you crop it. And we'll just try to crop the exact picture again. And it cropped it. If you do not have the item selected like it is now, and you try to crop something, it takes everything else out of the way. So I measured the outside, it was 15. The inside was 12 7/8, which is 12.875 or something. So I made it a little bit less for my tolerance, and I made it 12.6. And then I just rounded off the corners and I made it a little bit bigger than an inch radius to get it just close. I mean, it didn't have to fit perfectly, but as you can see, I got pretty close and pretty good. It looks really good. Came out good. So the way I did the bolt holes, once I've got this corner in place that I think is right, I'm going to get rid of the picture now. And let's say you don't have this bolt hole in. Well, what you can do is group this together with Control G and then Control D and make a duplicate of that and rotate it 180 degrees. Then you have two bolt holes exactly opposite of each other. Select the whole thing before you cut it out with your plasma cutter, because you've got two layers of this box. Let me delete it, ungroup it again, and you can see there's a second outside box. And that would give your plasma cutter not much fun. I actually have to ungroup that and then just grab the box and make sure my holes stay, and then just delete it and then take it to your plasma cutter. Same thing if you're doing a laser. A lot of times when I'm working with this was a piece of scrap steel I had. If it had to be more perfect, I would cut this out on the laser, set it down in there, and make sure my bolt holes fit, and my bolt holes were perfect and slipped right back down in the hole. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.